Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's read an email as a response to an advertisement you have seen about eating healthy course. So in that advertisement, perhaps what attracted you was that a nutritionist is going to educate you about how to eat right, and you are interested in knowing more about it. So let's read the email. Dear sir or madam, I am writing to inquire about the healthy eating course which I saw advertised in my local supermarket. I believe the course could be useful for myself and my friends, but I would like to know more about it before we apply. Next paragraph. Firstly, could you please tell me where the course actually takes place and how much it will cost? Perhaps in the advertisement the cost was not mentioned, as this will affect our final decision. There is also the question of whether or not there is an age restriction for the course. My friends and I are all under the age of 18, and my mother is also interested in joining. So, does it matter what ages we are? Next paragraph. My friends and I are very keen on joining the course. Remember, it's always my friends and I. You can't write I and my friends. That's not correct English. I comes later, unless you are taking some blame. We believe that it could be a very enlightening experience for us. Enlightening means educational, and will open our eyes to a healthier lifestyle, especially in today's generation where we don't have the patience to choose healthy food. We eat whatever pleases our taste buds and whatever is quick to be obtained. We really want to come out of this experience knowing more about eating healthy meals and also learning to prepare them on our own. I hope you can get back to me soon. Yours sincerely, and then your name. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.